In GeoGebra on exercise 2.11, at the beginning you had typed in the function f of x equals 1 plus 3x plus x squared. Down on step 12, there's a blank that says I'm going to give you the information for the blank, and that information for the blank is the code or the command derivative and then bracket f, and that should graph the derivative function for you. Also, on some other things that you might have, like on Desmos or something, it might allow you to type f prime of x as well. So both of those are ways to get the technology to immediately graph that. What I'd like for you to do is to try using this derivative derivative command with some different functions. And so I've got some functions on exercise 2.12 that I'd like for you to try using GeoGebra to graph the functions and the derivatives using this shortcut command.